Hey, how you doing? My name is John B. Taylor II, also known as Stylist John. I'm a licensed barber, stylist, braider, loctician. I have a background in audio-visual technology, radio and television broadcasting. I love music. I've been making music since 1995. Actually, I've been making music since I was in preschool, playing the keyboard, the xylophone, the triangle, the bongos. I had a Casio keyboard I used to play on that recorded one track. One track. I eventually progressed to getting keyboards, the Boss DR660 drum machine, the Korg N264 keyboard, learn how to make beats, and music is my passion. I've used every piece of equipment that you can name, from Roland keyboards, Kurzweil, Casio, Yamaha, Roland, Akai MPCs. I've used pretty much all of them, and I love making beats and I love making music. Ever since I was little, I had a passion for helping people. When I was little and I used to watch TV, I would always see the commercials for the Salvation Army. I would see commercials that would depict like third world countries with children that were impoverished, and I would always tug my mama's shirt and be like, "Man, we gotta help them. Like, we gotta help them." I love helping people. Looking at the children in the TV with big bellies and flies swimming around them almost brought me to tears, but it gave me a reality. Like, it's people in our country that's like that. And so one of my biggest fears was being homeless, so I went on a quest to fight my fears, and I went and I stayed at Larry Rice homeless shelter just to see what it was like, and I put myself around those that was homeless and started helping them with what I could. I would give away my clothes every 3 or 4 months that I either was too big or clothes that I couldn't fit anymore, and I would give it away to people that needed it. I even gave away the shirt off my back several times just to make sure somebody else had a shirt. But I realized something. You can't give you can't outgive God. So as long as He keep blessing me, I'ma always be a blessing to someone else. But I realized something. There's a homelessness problem that we have to deal with here where we at. We can deal with it in other countries, but we got to deal with it here where we at in the United States. There's no reason for people to be homeless and less fortunate when everything that God gave, He gave to this world and it was good. There are a lot of people that are greedy. And if you have a lot, there's nothing wrong with sharing a little bit to make sure somebody else that doesn't have something has something, like food, shelter, and sometimes people don't even have the skill they need in order to survive. So I created a training program to help at-risk youth have a viable skill from what I learned in the barber beauty industry, where they can start to survive. You outside, you homeless, you could do some braids, do a couple heads of braids, make a couple $100, start saving your money, be disciplined, like learn how to discipline yourself. I created a training program to help not only those that were less fortunate, but those that would like to become fortunate. But I want to help. I want to help the youth not make the same mistakes that I did. And if you do make a mistake, at least you learn from it. I want to travel through the school districts. A lot of music artists come into cities and make a whole bunch of money from doing tours, and they don't visit the schools where the children are at. And I wanted to do the reverse. I wanted to visit the school where the children are at and encourage them and speak life into what their hopes and their dreams are. And then I also wanted to go and I wanted to do a tour in the school districts, the colleges, and also the world, and get on the stage and perform my music. So this crowdfunding is an accelerator of my dream to be able to travel back and forth to be able to help those in need of a haircut that are less fortunate and those that are fortunate. Because you got to have the bitter and the sweet. You know, I want to be able to help both. I want to be able to help those that need the help and go over here and get people that would like to sponsor their haircuts. And then I would also like to help those that are fortunate that would like a good quality haircut. I'm cut music artists, business owners, people in construction, athletes, professional athletes. There are 5.8 billion people that have textured hair, and I want to help 1 billion. I want to help 1 billion people with their textured hair. Straight hair, curly hair, wavy hair, kinky hair, all of it. I love hair, period. I see hairstyles when I look at people. I can look at a person and see like 5 hairstyles on them. And I just love her. I love the beauty industry. And as a international, global platform artist, DJ, music producer, I'm a lot of things. But the main thing that I am is genuine. And I really came into this world to be a light and shine and help those that need my help. And so if you need my help, I'm coming. I'm coming to help you. I'm coming to add value to you. But I also need your help. I need help crowdfunding. I need help to raise up the funds to get my mobile salon bus. Okay? My mobile salon bus will be somewhere around $150,000. And with your charitable donation, I can provide you a service. Okay? I'm going to provide you an elite service. What is an elite service? I'm glad you asked. An elite service for the fellas. An elite service is a service that includes a shampoo, hot towel, haircut, razor line, enhancement, mustache, beard trim, and a 5 to 10 minute massage for $100. Okay? With your charitable donation of $100, I'm going to provide you an elite service. Okay? If you provide more than that, I can provide you with a membership. And what is a membership? A membership is where you're going to be able to come in several times a month at a scheduled time to receive an elite service. Okay? I call it the Elite Barbers Membership. Okay? The elite is the top tier. Okay? And I want to give you top tier service. And so with your charitable donation, men, you qualify for the bronze, silver, gold, platinum, or diamond packages. Okay? There are 5 packages. And with your charitable donation, I can assign you for a membership. Okay? This membership, with your charitable donation of $100, you're going to get an elite service. With your charitable donation of $300, or excuse me, $400, I'm going to assign you the bronze membership. With your charitable donation of $1,000, I'm going to assign you the gold membership. With your charitable donation of $3,000, I'm going to assign you the platinum membership. And with your charitable donation of $5,000 or more, I'm going to assign you the diamond membership. Okay? And with each membership, you're going to get a shampoo, hot towel, spa steam massage, haircut, mustache, beard trim, razor line, and 5 to 10 minute massage. Okay? And I'm going to schedule out your appointments based on your lifestyle and the days of the week that you're available and that I'm available. And then I'm going to write that down on your card, and every time you come in, the next date for your scheduled appointment is going to be on there. I'm here to help, to serve, and to cater to you, and also to help my community. I enjoy helping young people look good and feel their best. And I would like to help you look good and feel your best. I'm Stylist John. I can get you fly, school tour, heading to the elementary school, the middle schools, the high school, the colleges, the HBCUs, and the Live Nation performance venues to perform music, read books to the children, to encourage, to empower, and most of all, to show love. You can check out my work at www.stylistjohn.com, and you can reach me at 314-359-5499. I can get you fly.